Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Are you American?
Yes,
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Excuse me, are you American?
No.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
3 months.
What do you do for work?
I am a student. How about you?
I'm a student too.
Do you know what time is it?
Sure, it's 5:10 p.m.
What did you say?
I said it was 5:10 p.m.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hi Emily, how are you?
Fine, how are you doing?
What do you want to do?
I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant.
What kind of Italian food do you like?
I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti?
No, I don't, but I like pizza.
Michael, would you like to something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee.
No problem. I will have a glass of water.
Here you go.
Thanks. Would you like to get something to eat with us?
When?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning.
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late.
How about 5 p.m.?
That's fine.
All right, see you.
Dad, what are we doing today?
It's a surprise.
Is it a special occasion?
No, just a short family trip.
Does Mom know?
Of course, it was her idea.
Where is Mom?
She is in the kitchen.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
That would be great. When do you want to go?
Is today okay?
Sorry, I can't go today.
How about tomorrow?
Okay. What time?
Is 6 p.m. okay?
Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go?
The Italian restaurant on 5th Street.
I like that place.
Where are you going?
To the clinic.
Are you sick?
Yes, I have a cold.
I'm sorry to hear that. Hi friends, there's a great rock concert tonight. How about joining it together?
I'd love to come, but I'm going out with my family this evening.
I'm very busy, but I can't refuse it. I'll be there.
I'd love to come with you.
Okay, let's meet at the park at 6 o'clock.
Hello, Nick. Are you busy tomorrow evening?
No, not at all. Why?
I have 2 tickets for the new play. Would you like to join me?
That sounds great. Where is it?
It's at the Cultural Center.
I'm sorry, but I don't know the place.
Don't worry. I can pick you up at 6 o'clock.
Great, see you then.
Hello, may I take your order?
Yes, please. I'd like tomato soup first.
Okay, what would you like to have for a main course?
I'd like steak with vegetables, please.
Sure, would you like anything to drink?
Just water, please.
All right, anything else?
That's all for now, thank you.
Tell me about your favorite activities.
I enjoy doing lots of things, but my favorite is camping.
Really, why do you prefer going camping?
I love being in nature. In my opinion, it's relaxing.
Awesome. How often do you go camping?
I often go camping in summers and once a year in winters.
Hello, Lisa speaking.
Hi, Lisa. This is Rose. You weren't at school today. I'm worried about you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, but my mom had an operation this morning, so we are at the hospital.
Really? I'm sorry to hear that. I hope she will be better soon.
Hello, this is Walter. Can I speak to Frank, please?
Hello, Walter. I'm afraid he isn't at home now.
When will he be back?
I guess he will be at home in the evening. Would you like to leave a message?
Could you tell him to call me, please?
That's okay. I'll tell him your message.
Thank you.